Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can add items in Zoho Books. In Zoho Books, an item refers to any product or service that your business sells to customers or buys from vendors. These items are used when creating invoices, purchase orders, and other transactions, streamlining the process by automatically populating item details. Item can be goods like physical products or services like repair work, and they can be tracked for inventory if enabled. So how you can add items on Zoho Books? For this, first open Zoho Books. Then after opening the Zoho Books, select items from here. Then here you will see a form of items. Select item type, it's goods or service. Then select name, select unit, then select type sales information, and select purchase information. You can select account type from for both, add a description for both also. Then select tax preferences, taxable or non-taxable, and then select save. And that's it. That's how you can add items in Zoho Books. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips like this.